Here we are, sorry for the delay. It's finally part 2 of my summer haul, what I bought in the boutique, so let's go. It's time to do the unboxing. You wait a lot of time for this, so without further ado, I have announced you it's concerning a bag that I completely reconsider, and I will unbox, and during the presentation I will explain you why I finally reconsider it. You can blame me, you can clearly blame me, but I picked a 3D bag. Yes, I picked the 3D M size tote. Well guys, I know I have no excuse, because in one of my previous videos I talked to you that I do not plan to buy this bag, and finally I bought it. Let me explain you everything. But before I start, if you like this kind of video talking about Longchamp, talking about bags, please do consider subscribing. I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector, fashion lover, and completely crazy addicted to Longchamp. Do not forget to subscribe if you like this. Well, so back to this little guy. Well, not so little, because it's an M size. I will write the dimension. And yes, I finally do reconsider this bag because I got it on sale. On sale, the price, I'm going to talk in euro and I will write the conversion in American dollar. The price on sale is 483 euro, but the retail price for this size, so back, because now I will make a video about the new line 3D, because there's a bunch of changing. The bag used to retail for 690 euro. And I have explained you guys for that I will never buy a bag nearly 700 euro like this, because I do think, and I'm serious, nearly 700 euro this bag, it does not worth it. I said it clearly, it does not worth the price. 400, nearly 500, it's a bit expensive also, but when you compare to other companies, I'm thinking about Marc Jacob, it's nearly the same size. So I thought to myself, I like this color because it was available on sale in red, in blue. The blue was beautiful, and this one is beige. And I said, okay, let's give it a try. My mother pushed me a little bit because she loved the design. She's really fond of it. I'm not a fan of this part. I have also told it in my video, but it's a cute bag. Okay, it's a cute bag. I'm not a fan of this part, but that's okay. I can wear it like this. That's no problem. So I made up my mind and I said, okay, you know that the leather is good. Look at this. It's not a grain leather. It's cowhide leather, but look at this. It's nearly similar to the leather from the extra line. It's not clearly the same, but it's kind of similar, and it's resistant. You do not have bottom at the feet. Let's see in the future how we go this part by using it. I am quite surprised because the bag is super light. I was thinking about the strap, all the metal parts, it will be heavy. Not at all. And this is the first surprise when I do reconsider this bag in the boutique. I tried it and I was surprised how light it was. 3D. You've got two top handle, and something that I have to admit, it's quite nice. Look at the handle. Tack, tack. I think It's kind of funny, it's kind of brilliant. You are not bothered by the handles when you open and close the bag. I am used to top handle bag, so this is not a problem for me, but for people who may be bored with the handles, this is something to consider. It's a detail, but this is something to consider. Then you've got a strap, which is detachable, but not removable. You see? And there's a zip opening. Okay, so let's put all the paper away. And inside you've got a massive compartment, one main compartment, sorry. Oh, this was the paper, the plastic from the strap, because this one was brand new and we completely unwrapped it in the boutique. So you've got one main compartment and you've got one flap pocket here, a second one. You see, yes, you see them now. One flap pocket, a second flap pocket. The border of the flap pocket are made with leather. On the other side, you've got a zip pocket. You see it. And you have, and this is also the things that help me. You have the accessoire that I love the most in a bag. You've got the keychain. And that's all. And I have to say, I was fond of the color. The size of the bag is kind of interesting. It's not too big, not too small. And I have to say, you have the keychain. The inside material is really nice. It's not the traditional jacquard ribbon. It's kind of cotton lining. And I will try to make precise pic and put it so you can see it a bit more because it's all dark. All this appears for me like, okay, try it. The other reason is that Longchamp launches the new 3D line, and I will make a special review about this line because now it's composed of several bags, and the bag have evaluated, we can say like this, and I saw them. I saw the new line, and I have to say, I repeat myself, but now the price still go higher. And no guys, no way, it is way too expensive for what it is. The inside, I touch it, I do feel that the cotton lining is from less quality from the previous collection. And this is a fact. And you do not have in the new collection the keychain. So now you are paying even more because for the price of this one, you have the square one, the little one, which is the cutest bag from the new collection. But guys, you've got a really smaller bag for the price of this one. And you have less quality inside and you have an accessoire which disappeared. All this, I said, okay, let's try it. Let's try it and it's okay, as I told you, this part is not my favorite, but I kind like the handles, like they are working. Or let me show you on my set. So you can wear it like this, on the cock of your arm. You can wear it like this. The dimension here is good, really good. And the strap. So yes, you can wear it like this. I am 1.60 m and it goes here. So if you are taller, I do think the bag will come like this. But it's not a massive problem since you can detach the strap. So if you are a tall person, you can simply put a new strap on it and I can wear it crossbody, and you see the handles, they are coming like this. I know, I am quite surprised, but when I saw the new line, when I saw the price, when I touch it, oh, the leather in the new collection is still okay. Don't get me wrong, the leather is still the same quality. I'm talking about the inside. I am really disappointed about the inside of the new line. Let's give a try to this guy. I will keep you informed if finally I made a lot of use of it and how it ages, how life goes with this bag. I will keep informed, and but for the moment I have to say I really like the color, and I am so surprised about the weight. This is incredible. That's all, guys. Hope you are not too angry at me for having changed a little bit my mind. If you have any question about this, I will make a little video about what fits inside, and because I do think it's kind of a good working bag. If you have any question about it, do not hesitate. I will be happy to answer you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider it. And do not forget to activate the notification bell to not miss any of my coming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.